You kicked the truck. But Mr. Grudgmeyer.
Get out of here with that stupid thing.
No, I bought this for you. It's yours, a present from me to you.
Me?
That's right. Isn't it a pretty little truck, huh?
Oh.
And I have one, too. See?
How come I didn't get the blue truck?
Because I want the blue truck. The blue is my favorite color.
You took the best truck. What is this? I want that one.
That's a present from me to you. I paid money for that. Ooh! Ooh!
If I can't have the blue truck, nobody gets the blue truck.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, no.
What are you doing?